First off, what are your expectations for the fifth son of the president?
I would expect to hear the programs of the President on issues on our economy, on accountability, and health and education. Bakit ko ito nasabi? Napakahirap kasi na kapag ikaw ay nag-assume ng Pangulo, it's post-pandemic. And in every pandemic, alam natin sa buong mundo, history will tell us that every pandemic entails 5 years post-pandemic economic insult. No, marami talagang babagsak na bansa dahil sa pandemya. Nagkataon lang na mas malala ang nangyayari ngayon kasi may conflict sa ibang bansa, may mga impact ng climate change, at lahat ng ito, kung tingnan mo, is a perfect storm to hit the economy of a middle-income country like the Philippines. Kaya napakalaki ng puwang, napakalaki ng role ng ating national government when it comes to cushioning this, yung magsisilbing kutsyon para yung impact ng dagok sa ekonomiya ay medyo matulungan natin yung bawat Maria at Juan de la Cruz. So targeted ayudas, help among the MSMEs, farmers, fishermen, yung ating economic drivers. And of course, accountability is related kasi kapag meron tayong pananagutan, lalo na kapag ito'y pondo ng gobyerno, mapupunta sa mas tama na direksyon ang pagkakagastusan. On the issue naman of accountability on our local government officials, including barangay officials, this is something to do with opening our doors to investors. Kasi mas maraming investor, mas maraming negosyo, mas maraming trabaho, mas makakatulong ito sa ating national government. On health, napakarami ng plano ng BBM administration on health. Pero sapagkat tayo ay nagkaroon ng universal healthcare law na may 2 pillar provision, sayang na sayang ito. We will not be able to attain universal healthcare law. Pwede lang siyang maging palaging sasabihin at salita, but you cannot walk the talk. Therefore, the universal healthcare law should be amended, taking away the 2 killer provisions. Ano po ba ito? Yung una, kailangan gamitin ang bawat gamot, bakuna at medical device ng buong mundo ng 5 hanggang 10 taon bago magamit ng Pilipinas. How can we achieve healthcare in that aspect? Pangalawa, nakasaad sa batas na magiging lead ay ang PhilHealth, which is wrong. Because PhilHealth, while it's a government insurance company, it's not the entity that can lead.
Mag-Vicks Inhaler.